How to fix Hulu Error Code P-dev310. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. So first of all, if your Hulu application is showing error, you have to update your Hulu app. Head over to your Play Store and search for Hulu. If your app shows update instead of open, then you have to update your app. Once you're done updating your app, head over to your Settings application. Here, scroll below onto the option of Apps. This will show you all the application that you have in your device. Then here you have to again search for Hulu. So simply type in Hulu here, tap onto it, go below onto Storage, and from here clear the cache. Now here you can also clear the app's data. Tap on Clear Data. But before doing so, please be noted, if you delete this application's data, it will delete all of your account history and all of your saved credentials. If you'd still like to continue, then tap Delete. Once done, come back into App Info page, then tap on Force Stop on your bottom right corner. Once done, tap on OK and check if this fixes your Hulu error code. If it's still not working for you, then you have to uninstall this application and reinstall it again. Tap on Hulu, then tap on Uninstall. Now, once this application has been installed, restart your device, reinstall the application as well, and try again. This will definitely fix your problem. That is all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then please like and subscribe.